pretend like I didn't hear the exhaust. So I'm gonna pretend like I didn't hear that.
What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read by today's title of the video, I'm pretty much going to be showing you guys what it's like to daily drive this 700 wheel horsepower 350Z. This actually isn't my daily. For those of you guys that follow me and know me, you guys know that this is my daily. But a couple weeks ago I did hit a raccoon in the street and it caused this. I mean, I could drive it, but I kind of choose not to just because it looks ugly, and I mean, I don't know, I just don't really want to drive it, to be honest. The car's drivable, the car's perfectly fine, but like I said, it bugs me so much that I don't want to drive it. And I know you guys are probably thinking, why don't you just fix it, blah blah blah. So I took it to get fixed probably like a week or two ago. It was like a week after the whole incident, and it turns out I need some brackets for the sensors, which I ordered, and they literally just got here like 3 hours ago. So I finally got all the parts, and on top of all that, I also ordered a new lip, so that should be coming in I think on Tuesday. But now that I got all of the parts that I need, I'm just gonna pretty much swap the grill and all the brackets for the sensors, put the sensors in, and the car should be back to normal. But like I said, I'm not driving this thing, so I've been pretty much daily driving this, and I'm pretty much here to show you guys what it's like to daily drive something like this, especially here in California. It's not the smartest thing to do, but I do it anyways. But right now we're about to head to the gym, get a workout in, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. Let's go. You guys know I gotta bless you guys with a cold start, especially on a video like this. Nothing but E85. Alright guys, so we're hopping on with the GoPro. Honestly, I feel like I don't do this enough. So if there's any new people on the channel, what's up guys? My name is Jay. Welcome to my channel. For those of you guys, like I said, that don't know or might be new to the channel, this is my built motor single turbo 350Z. It currently makes 703 wheel horsepower, still on low boost. Honestly, I haven't turned it up because I need a clutch. And honestly, I haven't really done anything like relating to turning up the power, mainly because I'm just waiting to get rid of this turbo kit and change the setup a little bit, and then that's when I'm gonna full send it. So yeah, that's actually why I haven't done really much to this car. For those of you guys, like I said, I don't know, my turbo kit is up for sale. I have so many buyers, bro, like, oh, like I'll come like this day, like this and this and that. Like, I'm super interested, and then they just ghost me. So annoying, bro, because they're just like, they just waste your time. But I mean, it is what it is. That's how it is, especially selling stuff like on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp. Once I sell this kit and change up the kit with the even bigger turbo than this one, that's when I'm gonna send it. So that's pretty much what I'm waiting on. That's why this car is still making 700, which honestly isn't bad. It's not slow, but right now unfortunately I can't do any pulls. I have another boost leak. I want to fix a coupler issue like 2 weeks ago, and a couple of days later I was doing some pulls, and it just, for some reason, it'll hit like 15 pounds, but it'll stay right there. Like, it'll like, think of it kind of like if I'm hitting rolling anti-lag type of thing. And it had already done that once when I was still stock motor, and it was a super simple fix. It was literally just a gasket from the test pipe. So like I said, just an exhaust leak. There's nothing too major. It doesn't really matter. I just haven't had time to look at it or take it to get fixed. But that's what it is with these turbo cars, guys. Like, an exhaust leak NA, like my Q50 has a super terrible exhaust leak. It's not really a big deal because to do pulls, you might lose a couple horsepower. But this one, damn, some of the Type R. This one, if you get an exhaust leak, it's a whole boost leak. It's a whole like actual issue. So, like I said, nothing too big. But the only bad thing is that I'm not gonna be able to do a pull today. If somebody pulls up to me trying to race, I won't race them. I won't be able to show you guys a pull today. But once again, if there is some new people that are joining us today, I'm gonna go ahead and add a clip of me doing a pull right now. So yeah, I mean, the car moves, guys, I'm not gonna lie, pretty fast, but it could be faster. Never be content, bro, always want more. But I was actually thinking about that, like making this video like how it is to daily drive a like this car or whatever. I'm like, bro, I'm not even gonna be able to do a pull. Like, is it even gonna be a good video? But then I thought to myself, honestly, it actually will be, because I'm showing you guys how it is to daily drive it. So I'm gonna kind of drive it like a normal human being. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna treat this car like if it's a Corolla right now. It's just my daily driver. Try and get from point A to point B. I can't do any pulls, but I can give you guys some boost noises. About this car, guys, like it brings me so much joy driving it, just because of all the noises it makes. I mean, when it's hitting boost, it's just super fun. Like I said, it's pretty fast. It also definitely surprises people on the street. So, and that used to be me back in high school, bro. My first car, RSX IPS. I missed that car so much. I wish I would have never sold it. Damn, if I would have never sold it, that shit would have been boosted by now. With the amount of money that I put into this car, probably all-wheel drive, would have been something crazy. But everything happens for a reason. If I didn't sell that car, I probably wouldn't have gotten this one. So I don't regret it, but I do miss it. Damn, I feel like I've been talking so much during this video, and it feels kind of good to talk to a camera. I don't know why. I feel like I'm talking to a homie right now. Do a little pull. I could, man. But yeah, guys, besides a little, like I said, a little exhaust leak issue, this car has been phenomenal since I swapped the motor, bro. This car drives like it's stock. Like, you guys are seeing me, like, I'm not doing any pulls. I'm driving it pretty normal, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the car drives like it drove when I bought it, when it was fully stock. I mean, obviously, like I said, the only difference is that it's loud. The clutch is different, not the stock clutch. But other than that, dude, the car feels normal, like it feels stock. But yeah, guys, besides the whole new turbo kit clutch thing, I do need brakes. So I'm just gonna upgrade to some Acabonos. The same exact brakes that are on my Q50. One thing that I definitely don't like about driving this car, especially here in Cali, is whenever you see a cop, it's like your freaking blood drops and shit. We got a rent-a-car behind me. But yeah, I see one in the main road. I was like, ah, sheesh, don't even look at me, bro. I'm just trying to get to the gym. That's one thing that does suck about driving a car like this in Cali. I mean, don't get me wrong, not all cops are like that, but I mean, it's still, not that it's scary. It's not like scary, but it's kind of nerve-wracking sometimes. Like, damn, this one could really ruin my day if I really wanted to. But made it to the gym. Go ahead and get this leg workout in. I just want to know, am I the only person that does this? Whenever I get to the gym or whatever it is with this car, even the Q50, I like to park like in a corner and get as close as possible to the curb. That way we don't get no door dings or anything like that.
2,000 years later.
And just like that, we're done with the workout. Hit some legs today. Leave it up to me to be driving a car with the State Street clutch after leg day. Nothing like that Friday afternoon traffic. gonna miss this turbo kit and the noises it makes. But the next one should be pretty sick too. Like I said, if anybody is interested. Oh, my hard drive, I thought it was a CHP, bro. I'm telling you, bro, I fucking hate driving this car in Cali sometimes. Cause like, if you think you see a cop, or if you do see a cop, you get like this weird feeling, bro. Like, it's like, I really wish this was like Texas, where like, you run into a cop and they'll probably give you like a thumbs up. I'm not saying there's not cops like that out there, but here in Cali it's kind of rare. Like I've actually had one good encounter with a cop before, like pretty good with this car. He was asking me what was done to it. Obviously I had to lie a little bit, but he was pretty cool. Anyways, if any of you guys are interested in the turbo kit, it is up for grabs. This thing made pretty good power, dude. Stock block, it made 550 with ease. With this built motor, it made 703 wheel with ease. I could literally turn it up probably to over 800. But obviously my clutch when I hold it, at least I don't think it would. Other than that, guys, this turbo kit is really good. It makes power, sounds good. It looks super sick. You break necks everywhere. I'm currently selling it for $6,000 or best offer. And I'll even cut you guys even a better deal if you, for example, don't want the tome or don't want the turbo or whatever. So if you guys are interested or know anybody that's interested, DM me on Instagram and let's get the ball rolling, guys. Nothing is wrong with this turbo kit. I'm just trying to go for another setup, to be honest. Hope I don't regret it, but gotta move on sometime. Sheesh. Got the bangers on, homie. Sheesh. Thankfully, no tickets, no problems. I think I am gonna go out to eat today because it is my cheat day, and I'm probably gonna take this, so I'll pick up the camera once we go. All right, guys, it's now like an hour or two after the last clip you guys just saw. Like I said, today is my cheat day, meaning I get to eat whatever I want. But where I'm gonna go eat is low-key a city that hates modified cars, so I'm gonna send it with this one. Like I said, it is a little bit loose up here, but it should be fine. I already checked, and the sensors, like, there's nothing that could happen to the sensor, so it should be fine. I'm gonna take this, go grab some food, and see what else we get into.
20 minutes later.
Well, I'm just gonna pretend like I didn't hear the exhaust. So I'm gonna pretend like I didn't hear that. I just stopped for the registration. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah. So I paid it off, the actual registration, but I just haven't done the smog yet.
You're not over 6 months, so your car, it's not like towable yet. I'll get you out of here with a fix-it ticket. Just make sure you get it taken care of, because you can get the fix-it ticket signed off, and then it's done. It's like a $20 inspection fee. Okay. And then 2, usually you get a fix-it ticket, it's a little initiative to get it fixed, because if you get pulled over and you're over that 6 months, the car gets towed for 30 days, okay? So that's the last thing you need, especially if you gotta get to work and stuff. Yeah. So let me fill out the fix-it ticket and I'll get you out of here, okay? That's just a fix-it ticket, okay? All right, I appreciate you. Sign the red box, not a minute guilt, just saying you'll take care of this. I'd probably go to a police department just because we're a little more picky with vehicle code stuff, so they might hassle you about other stuff.
Oh, okay.
Police departments, they might just sign it off. So whatever's in your city, I would just go, just let them know. I got this fixed ticket and it's taken care of. Most of the time, sign it off, we're good to go, okay?
All right. All right, thanks, boss. I appreciate the break.
Then you're all good to go.
All right.
You guys have a good one.
You too. Well, it finally came to bite me in the ass, guys. So my tags were due in December. It is currently, what month is it? April already? It's April, and I still haven't done the smog on this car. I don't even know why, bro. I've been procrastinating. I haven't gone to get it done. So was funny, bro. We're literally driving by him. He had just let somebody go, and he comes behind me. I'm like, I'm getting pulled over. There's no way. Like, I don't have freaking tags. I'm 100% gonna get pulled over. And I mean, I was right. But I mean, at least he was cool about it. I don't know if you guys were able to hear so super good in the video, but he said he was gonna act like he didn't hear the exhaust, so that's a plus. He was a CHP, so I mean, at the end of the day, if he really wanted to, he could have stayed right for me. And thankfully, I mean, he didn't. But wow, at least now it's gonna literally make me do the smog too. And both this and the Z needs the smog. Hey, but honestly, like I said, cool guy. I mean, if he really wanted to, he could have stayed right for me. But I'm actually very thankful that I was in this car instead of the Z, and I was literally gonna take the Z out. I mean, it could have been worse. So, shout out to that cop. I mean, he gave me a break, so it's all good. All right, guys, we made it back home this time, unfortunately, with the ticket, but it is what it is. It could have been worse. That cop was pretty chill at the end of the day. He could have gave me a harder time, but he gave me a break, so it was cool. But with that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys could be alerted whenever I post. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Got a few things planned for both of these in the near future, so stay tuned for that. With that being said, peace out, guys.